How to fix UEFI firmware settings not found and missing in Windows 7, 8, 10, and 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever run into the frustrating problem of UEFI firmware settings being absent from your system? I'm here to help. In this video, I'll walk you through the necessary steps to address this issue on Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7. So the first step involves running CMD as an administrator. Let's begin by initiating the command prompt as an administrator. Type CMD in the search bar and right-click on the command prompt to run it as an administrator. Then for the step 2, we will input the G conversion code in the command prompt. Once you have typed the code, press enter. Moving on to the third step, exit and restart your PC. Type exit, press enter, and then confirm by clicking OK and proceed to restart your PC. Finally, for the step 4, change the BIOS mode to UEFI. After your PC restarts, access your BIOS settings and locate the boot mode. Change the BIOS mode from Legacy to UEFI and remember to save your changes. As for me, I won't be converting my BIOS because I'm already in UEFI mode, and there you have it. You have successfully resolved the issue of UEFI firmware settings being missing on your Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7 system. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.